Hey, how's it going, everybody? Let's kind of jump right into it. Got my camera at a weird angle here, but the focus isn't really on me today. It's on the truck. So, kind of got my first big major updates here. Got some new BF Goodrich crawler tires, axial beadlock rims, black on black, if you can tell that. So we'll be installing that. Got the other set right there, so we can do the whole thing. That's actually one of the weird, like, unfortunate things with the Traxxas. They don't come with beadlock wheels, so we got to swap that out. And then actually, so I tried to get the push bar, and this is actually the one for the Bronco, and I thought it would fit, but it doesn't. So what I ended up doing is I actually bought a bumper for the Bronco, and I'm hoping it'll fit pretty nicely here on the Blazer. We'll see how that goes. I think it shouldn't be too much of a problem with the curvature of the body. That's really the only possible issue. Keeps going though here. Give me a second. Got the light kit, so this might test my abilities here today. I've just got into RC 3 weeks ago. This sounds a little complicated to me, but guy said it was pretty simple, so we'll see what happens. And then also, tiny accessory. Sorry, it fell on the ground over here. Might toss that on the Scout, the Gen 8 Scout. Sorry, it's a little shovel, little axe. So that should look pretty cool. And then some stickers. Oh yeah, gotta get stickers. But yeah, hopefully we'll jump right into it here in a second. I'm gonna have to cut back in. Alright, we're jumping back into it. Gonna peel off the bumper here, peel off that plastic off the new one. I reckon we'll just toss this one right on here. Sorry about this weird angle. I really feel like I'm not making eye contact, and then I got my little monitor down here, so sorry if I keep looking down, see if I'm in focus or not. So that snapped right on there. So nice and simple. Should line up right on the bottom down here. Came with a couple little screws. Carefully dump those out. Toss the wrapper over. Should have had this out already. Little tool kit that I got came in handy. Gotta figure out what these are. This seems to be the most common one so far. That is not it though. I've only really messed with taking some of the tires off to on the Gen 8 to get the water out. So here we go. That fits. Slide that in, and then we should be able to screw that right on in. Probably really don't need to go too tight with this. Don't want to over tighten stuff. It's at least what I've heard. Enough to go snug. There we go. Other one. Get that on there. If I can figure out a way to speed some of this up, maybe I'll speed some of this up in the editing process. So, hopefully. Otherwise, bear with me. Maybe I can kind of jump cut. So keep in mind, this is the Bronco front set right here, and I'm gonna have to toss it on the Blazer, and hopefully it'll fit. Here we go, body coming off. Set that to the side. We're gonna have to figure this out. This is probably gonna have to come off. Luckily we can get right at it nice and easy. Oh, sorry, getting a camera full of forehead right there, huh? Alright, keep it going. Trying not to take them out all the way, so hopefully I don't have to deal with losing them, hopefully. I just want to slide this baby out. Oh, they're very... Okay, so you do have to take them all the way out. They're these weird little long, like rods connected to it. Not a problem. So take the Blazer bumper off. Take this new Bronco with the push bar. We'll toss that on. Perfect fit. And then, sorry, the real test here. We got to bring the body back. And see where this lines up nicely. Alright, so somewhere right about there seems to be doing the trick. Let's see the closest hole we're lined up to. Ooh, honestly, oh, getting a lot of the top of the head again. Alright, we'll line it up right there. Really want to make sure this looks decent. See that? That is either exactly perfect right there or just a little too close for my liking. I don't know what to call that. I really gotta push down to get it not really much, but I don't want to have to mess with it too much every time. Let's see, as long as we're... Oh, see, and it keeps bumping it out. Alright, so we got it lined up. It's lined up with the farthest back hole in the bumper, but time to actually put these back in. So let's do that. Toss those babies back in. Alright, pretty sturdy. And voila, that's pretty much done. there we go. New push bar installed with the new bumper. Let's toss that on, and let's try and get you guys a better angle. Toss the old one off to the side here, and let's lower. Oh, sorry about that. So don't that look pretty? Not bad. Alright, so that's pretty much that.